Welcome students. Today we discuss about binary operation. Star is a binary operation and it is defined on the set of real numbers. Any two real numbers a and b and it gives a real number. So star can be either one of these operations. Addition. So 4 plus 2 is 6, which is again a real number. So addition is a binary operation, and subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the common binary operation. So star can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. We can also define star in some other ways. A star b is equal to 3a minus 2b plus ab. So here we have used subtraction, multiplication, all these combinations. Now let us see an example. 4 star 1. So if you perform the operation star for these two elements, 3 into, instead of a you have to substitute 4, minus 2 into, instead of b you have to substitute 1, plus instead of ab you have to substitute 4 into 1. So 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So the answer is 14 for the operation star. Let us see some other examples. Here I have given two examples. So we have to calculate the value of a under the given condition a star 4 is equal to 5. So the operation defined is a star b is equal to a square minus b. In the second example, I have given two binary operation, plus and star. So plus is defined by 2a plus b and star by a minus 2b. Let us solve the problem one by one. First, in the operation a star b, instead of b I have to substitute 4 and equate the answer to b 5. So a star 4, a square minus 4 is equal to 5. It is given to be 5. Therefore a square is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. Hence the answer of a is plus or minus 3. So the value of a is found to be a real number, plus or minus 3. For the second example, there are two binary operations. We have to calculate 3 plus 4 star 5. We have to perform the operation within the parenthesis first. Then the operation which is outside the parenthesis should be executed next. So 3 plus 4 star 5 is equal to, so 3 plus 4, we have to substitute instead of a 3 and instead of b 4. Therefore we get the result 2 into 3 plus 4 star 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 star 5. You should not write 10 star 5 as 50 because the operation defined is a minus 2b. So instead of a I have to substitute 10 minus 2 into 5. 10 minus 10. The answer is 0. This is the binary operation. So we have to substitute at least two elements for performing the binary operation. Thank you.